What we're doing here is removing the flange bolt. This is right, we're set 4 cent tool. You put it on there like that and give it a... Yeah, right. Come on, today. Have we got it on right? No. Yes. You can imagine doing this with without this tool. It would be very, very odd. As you see, you've got nicely seated. Once you get them loose, they come off dead easy. But of course, giving these threads a bit of wire wool, a bit of wire brushing. Right, okay, this screwdriver. Now this is the split flange what I was told you about, and as you can see, it points towards you. Here, like that. You see, points towards you. And behind there will be the copper gasket, which actually makes the seal. And that's what we do. So what we're doing here is taking off the middle exhaust bracket, which is, incidentally, again, not a plug to anybody, but I've never really had one of these things before. It's a Makita impact drive. You can see the state of it, but it's second hand off a car boot, and by God is it a good tool. Right, in front of the bolt where we do the clamp, the exhaust clamp, which basically puts the pipe to the exhaust silencer, there's another bolt, and again, what we're doing now is basically taking that one off. Not in bad condition, as I said before. It's just some of this has been off before in any road, so it's not a bad old deal really to get them off, but it seems to be coming off. A little bit stiff now. You'll notice I use these heavy duty swivel edged spanners when I'm doing this. These are what I call my dismantling tools. I use them because, like the little problems I mentioned in the other video, that when you're taking things apart, if nuts and bolts have had some wear, or they have spanners put on them at some point back in the 80s, a lot of my work seems to be this kind of work. What you tend to find is you can ruin good spanners. I do like brittle, got a lot of brittle stuff. Use it almost extensively. Don't like it so much now, to be honest with you, because since Draper took them over, they're not very good spanners. But I think this thing's will be lacking something in the je ne sais quoi, as I put it. Anyway, as I say, these have got to come off like this until it's fully removed. It's a bit difficult, this one. It's a bit stiff. It's coming. I like give it some WD-40 again, and here we go. Here she goes. There you go. It's off. Oh, and obviously there's another one on the other side. Right, the next ones are right under here. And to be honest with you, a little sod. They're like here, but I've got to undo them from underneath. This is another case of that rust buns business where I was talking about the other day. The bolts are terrible under here. But with a bit of luck, you know, from my little grandson here, which is out to be on the camera for us today. Only 8, aren't you? Yeah. 8? Yeah. Yeah. Well, behind his grandson, he's going to hold the camera. I've had to put the camera in a bit of a funny position to be able to get this bolt out and let you see what I'm doing, kind of thing, as much as possible. I don't know if it's coming out, is it? Is it? Yeah. Look, it's going down.
It's coming out.
I'm a bit big for sometimes to get on a bike. There's a really nice bike left in the garage, but we're not using it for this job. Because we've got another iSun 125 on there, the V engine model, if you know it. Yeah. Anyway, I think we got it. There it is. Horrible little rusty bolt. Look, can you know that's in focus? Right, now hold the camera shaft, Louis. No, I don't think we're going to be able to do this like this. Maybe not. I was hoping to let me see, take the exhaust off, but I don't think that's going to work. Right, I'll stop you being back in a minute. Right, now we took that clamp off, I'll come to silencer. And as you can see, apart from a small dent on the back end, it's not too bad a condition. It looks nice from the outside, which is the bit you see. And that's the important bit. That's the first bit off. Right, just to recap what we've actually done here, we've only done it at the flange joints here. We've only done the when my grandson keeps quiet. We've undone the bit 19mm bolt that was here. We've undone the jaws clamp here, which actually clamps the. Can you see me in this video? Can anybody see?
No.
Right. Exhaust clamp here, and also we've undone the back silencer bolts. That's removed everything from the bike, so it's a fairly simple thing to take off in actual fact. Right, so we get to this point. Now what we need is one of these. Rubber faced hammer, as I call them, or plastic face. Short tap, and it comes. Dead easy. And that basically will come apart and come off the bike. Only do some twisting and twiddling, I would imagine. Okay, we're recording. Yeah, now you can see the pipes ain't in such bad condition. When you get them off, they don't look bad. I think they're alright, they're very serviceable, especially with particularly when being stainless steel. And that's the exhaust system off. I'm going to be cleaning all this with some special methods a bit later on when we come to put the bike back together, or as we put the bike back together, I should rather say. Thank you. Hello, my name's John. I'm finding this piece particularly difficult. To actually sit in front of a camera is quite daunting. To think that the old world could possibly see it at some point. Go away. It's alright, my grandson's making funny faces at me. I'm finding this very difficult in any road. The only reason why I could do it is because yesterday we worked 4.5 hours on the introduction video, and well, we basically worked on a editing program so to make the job a bit easier and see some action shots, so to speak. Not much for it to say really at this point. I'm just wanted you to say hello, really, basically. Hey, world. I'm hoping you're enjoying what we're doing. It's not really made to make 1 million views or anything along those lines. It's to make made for people. It's got an R65 and what might be in a similar condition or want to do something. Somebody can say, "Oh, that's how you do it," and that's what I'm trying to show a little bit. There's plenty of videos on engine work I've noticed on YouTube, but there's not many. I'm just like doing a barn find project like this is, as you might say. We've got 1 or 2 bikes around here. We might be doing some other projects. It also helps me motivate, as I said the other day in another one of the videos. I mean, I was quite poorly. I had cancer at one stage, and I had to go through chemotherapy, and it left me very weakened, very weak person after it. So obviously these things, like I said, have been put on a back burner, and I don't think it could have even rode the bike if I could have, like, in that state, because, like I say, weakness. But now we're a year or 2 down the line, and we're going back to work again on these bikes. And I really want to share what I do with the rest of the world. I've been accused of, "You ain't done that." But for instance, in the past, well, I do these things. And we take things from rotten places to good places. I used to do CB Super Dreams, you know, the CB 250 Super Dreams and 400s sometimes, but mainly 250s. And we used to make a bit of a living out of that. Anyway, like I say, bit of a background, only a little bit, just on the end of this video. If you like what you see on this bike and what we're doing on it, please subscribe. Please tell your mates about it if they've got a bike like this. Share, in other words, share with the world. I'm not bothered. As I say, I just thought this was input that needed. Okay, probably see you tomorrow. Wheels out tomorrow, I think, something along those lines. Shocks are all off now, the exhaust system's off. We're going in a good place, like I say, and we're going to carry on getting in a good place. Got a couple of seat bolts to deal with, but I think we might even be dealing with them on a bit until now we've got this editing program working. So like I say, have a good day, and I'll probably see you tomorrow. Bye.